Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time Tuesday. Today we got a trailer here with us and with some unusual tire wear.
Tech Time Tuesday.
All right, come with me. We're going to take a look at this tire. All right. So as you can see here, there's a lot of inside wear on this tire. As I spin it, you can actually see it has a very odd pattern there to it. That's just showing us that there's a lot of excess toe on this axle, along with a lot of camber from that inside wear. So very important, check your tires. Make sure that you're not having unusual wear patterns. Make sure that the tread is wearing evenly. And if not, then bring your trailer in, get it aligned, or have somebody check the alignment. That way you can avoid burning through your tires and having to change them more frequently than you would if the trailer was aligned. So with that, don't forget, like and subscribe. Show some love to the channel. And we wish you safer and happier driving.
Tech Time Tuesday.